Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I film my makeup looks, and I'm also going to be showing you guys my little filming setup that I got going on here. I have accumulated all of my equipment from 2012. I have done a lot of research. I've put in a lot of money and effort in getting everything that I do have, but I want to be able to help you guys start your YouTube channel. If you want to start your YouTube channel, you have to start somewhere. I'm going to just kind of insert some videos from back in the day when I used to film. My filming, I thought, was the best. But as you guys can see, like, we just have to be thankful with what we have. We got to work with what we have. And so I want to be able to push you guys. You guys have to start from somewhere. If you have to just get like a little small ring light, like a cheap ring light, go ahead and do that. If you can't afford that and you have a phone, film with your phone. That also works. I know a lot of people that do film with their phones and it looks stunning. So comparing myself to other professionals, I'm like not there yet. So I just want to be able to kind of show you guys what I do have, what works for me. I want to start a series on how I edit my videos, what computer I use, what program I use, just things like that, just to kind of help you guys grow. Before we continue, I am going to be using both my phone and my camera. I'm obviously using my camera, but I'm going to be filming also with my phone. So hope it works. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so we are going into my filming studio right over there. I'm just kind of showing you guys where I film. So we have the living room. I usually like to have this out. It's my, oh, it's so bright in here, isn't it? That is my freelancing makeup case. And I like to kind of keep that out, so if I get new products, I usually like to just throw them in here. It needs to be organized. If you guys want a video on what I have on my freelancing kit, please let me know. But we're just skipping that for now. And then we have my studio. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with lighting. We have the ring light. We got this little guy, which is a camera stand, and then I mount the camera right on top. This stand I got at Best Buy. I think it was like $30. So I have two of these. Just want to show you guys the name in case you guys want to purchase it on Amazon. I think it was under $100, so pretty inexpensive, guys. We're gonna go ahead and move on. Excuse my brushes, they need to be cleaned. Go ahead and get started here. So you have me there in the back with the camera, the two lights, the display, my mirror. I have my brushes that I really gotta clean. And then I have my laptop, this little foil thing, which makes it so much better. One, it doesn't dirty my station area, and two, the light reflects off of it, giving you better lighting. So I put all of my makeup here. My husband got this for me, I think it was 2 years ago, and it's helped me out a lot because I've been much more organized. One tip that I'd like to tell you guys: pick up after yourself when you film, because it just starts to get so overwhelming. Ever since I started like putting things away, it's been just so much easier for me. I have my little agenda here. Any ideas that I have, hold on a sec. Any ideas that I have on filming, look, it's like empty, but I really have to like fill it in again. So I have all of my YouTube ideas here. Anything that I have to do, like my bucket list on what I should do. So it's important to have an agenda with you. Get yourself a planner. It's very, very helpful. I have a little towel there. I like to kind of put it here, you know, so the makeup doesn't get everywhere. So that's that. Oh shoot, I wanted to talk about this. So this is very important for you to have. I know a lot of people film and don't have displays. They usually display it on their laptop, but I like to use a big screen. I think that that's much better. You can use both, but you don't really need it. The only inconvenience of not connecting your camera to the laptop is that, you know, let's say I want to change the lighting, I actually have to get up, go around, whoops, see right here. Ooh, guys, almost fell. Basically, like, this turned off because it's like automatically turns off after like 5 minutes. But yeah, I turned it off on again. So that's the only inconvenience, is that you have to get up to change the settings or whatnot, but it's really not that big a deal. The remote, you are able to press record. There we go. For example, there I'm recording. I can set the camera to take pictures, to have a timer of 10 seconds, and then I just hit click. When I'm going to take pictures, right, I'm going to change the settings. Usually I can do it like just reaching over, which I've become very, very good at. So right now it's on movie mode, so you just got to change it. Usually when I take pictures, I like to change it to no flash. Okay, and then, so right now I'm about to take a picture, so you just use the remote. That's how I take pictures, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Alright, so you just hit. There you go, there's the picture. So this is very convenient for you guys to have. I got this on Amazon. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get up. This is the chair that my husband got me off of Amazon. Hold on a sec, it's so dirty because it's white and your girl is not very clean when it comes to makeup. So I like to have my little chanclas here. So here you have my backdrop, my living room area, which I'll share with you guys later on. I have this lighting. It's got the white LED. So I have this one, which I like to keep right on top of my hair to kind of bring more details to my hair and the hair color. I like to have that right behind the backdrops to kind of separate you to the backdrop. Such a big difference. If I were to give you guys one of the best filming tips, is definitely get yourself one of these. This comes with different, I don't know if it's here. It comes with these little caps. Basically, you can change the lighting to be yellow. I also have a blue one, and then I have this one up here. It's got a yellow light bulb, and I like to keep that right next to my face, just to bring a little bit more saturation to my face because we have all white. So I really like that. You don't really need it, but I think it's pretty helpful to have. Oh, and then I like to have a huge bag here for all the trash. All of the PR boxes, I like to just throw them on here and like recycle them and take them out like once a week. All of the backdrops that I get are from Joanns. Guys, when I tell you, I think I have every single type of color. It's like a suede kind of backdrop, and it's just so pretty. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting my second video, a continuation to this one, next week, so please make sure that you hit the notification button. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully I was able to help you answer some questions, helped you out with how you should film, and hopefully give you the motivation to start right now. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.